of the business because of two reasons. Number one, what was the number one reason? They were not online. And because of lockdown, people were not going physical shopping, and they were trying to shop everything online. And the businesses which were not online, they went out of the business. But there were some businesses which were online and still went out of the business. The businesses who were online but were not visible. Think about it. Let me explain that to you. Right now we are in Hammersmith. If I go on my phone and I search restaurants in Hammersmith, Google will show me probably 8 to 10 results on my first page. And how many of you would agree with me that it's the general tendency that you don't go on the second page? You don't go on the third page. You will select one of the first 10. And average human thinks the reason these restaurants are on the first page, probably because they're the best ones. But that's not right. The reason they are visible, the reason they're on the first page is because they are spending money to be on the first page, to be visible. Being online is one thing, but being visible is completely separate. So what is the service which we offer through Tech by Nexarise, which can really make businesses be visible when they're online? That is called search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization simply means making your business visible. When you search anything, what do? You type a few words which will be related to that particular product or the service you're looking for. Now that word you use to search in Google is called keyword. Write this down, keyword. When you use a keyword, Google and their algorithms, they search and bring the best results possible on the first page. There will be restaurants, let's say if you're looking for one, on the 20th page, 28th page, 34th page. Forget about going on the 34th page, people don't even go on the second page. You can use this service to help businesses on your high streets be online, and not only be online, but also be visible to their customers by using SEO. And I want to share a few things, and we have some great BV promotions, massive promotions on this service. Before that, I want to play a video so we all understand what SEO means before I go into the details. So let's play the video, and I'll be right back after the video.
Today, 94% of consumers and businesses search the internet before buying a new product or service. They submit their keywords for search and get a list of relevant websites in return. People tend to visit websites that are at the top of these lists because they appear to be more relevant to their search. Most find their competitors at the top of these lists. Studies show that if your website is not at the top of these lists, you'll never reach your customers online. If you've ever wondered why your competitor's rank is better than yours, then know it's because of a marketing technique called SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. This technique helps your site rank higher than the millions of other sites in response to certain keywords when searched. The search engine system collects information about every page on the web and can help people find exactly what they're looking for. When your page gets higher rankings, it helps more people to find you. To get higher rankings, your website must have all the ingredients that search engines are looking for. This is where SEO can help. SEO looks for text, contents, links, page titles, and other pieces of relevant information contained in the HTML code of your website. This way, when someone searches for books, the search engine will narrow the results to show pages that contain the words searched for. To get more business, your website has to be on the first page of all the major search engines for the specific keywords that are relevant to your potential customers. Without SEO, your site will never be found online by your customers. In today's competitive world, you need solid SEO techniques to get your site to the top of the search results. We are experts in SEO. We help businesses become more visible on the internet. Visit our website to learn more about us.
So Tech by Nexarise offers a few services, and one of them is search engine optimization. The reason I'm covering this service, of course we do app development, we do web development, we do quite a few things when it comes to tech products. But the reason I'm speaking about SEO is this. Every single business out there today, the reason they're online is because they're relying on internet or e-commerce to acquire customers. They're online right now, but they don't know how to attract customers, how to bring customers on their website. Now, how does SEO works? So first of all, you can submit a lead. By the way, we are working, and probably in next 1 or 2 weeks' time, we will be making the purchase of this product available on the site instead of you submitting a lead. So right now what happens is you submit a lead and then someone will contact your customer, will speak to them, will explain it to them, and they can become a customer. But what we are going to do is we are going to make this video available on the website. Customers can look into it, understand the product, and they can try the product and they can purchase then and there rather than waiting for the call by submitting the lead. Now I want you to understand this. The second customer becomes a customer or prospect become a customer of Tech by Nexarise, the first thing team does is this. They go and do the R&D on their website as well as the keywords they use as a business to acquire customers. And they will come back to them with the current ranking of their site online. So they will show your customer, hey look, right now, let's say you are a restaurant, when someone writes restaurant in Hammersmith, on what page do you appear on Google? On what page you appear on Bing or any other search engine? And they will show all those results to them. The second thing they will do is this. They will ask them, who are your biggest competitors? Who are you trying to compete with online? So of course, every business knows their biggest competitor. They will give that information. Now they will do a few days R&D and will find the information about their competitor. What keywords are they using? How are they getting business? What ranking are they on? Which keyword is using them the highest ranking? Now they will come back to the customer and say, look, after the research, this is what we have found. Now we would want you to select the number of keywords based on the package they have chosen. Now what happens is this. The first month you see the least results is because the first month they will do on site. And trust me, even though you see the least results, but that is the most important part of SEO. Without having SEO done on your site, the off-site one wouldn't really give you the results you want or you need. Once the first month is about to complete, 2 days before your next payment, so 2 days before your direct debit payment, what they will do is, or your credit card or debit card payment, they will send you a report comparing where you were last month and where you are today. So when business will see, hey, I was on the 9th page after them working for a month, now I'm on the 3rd page, I see the progress, they pay for the next month. And remember, SEO is not an expense, it's an investment into their business. A lot of people don't understand this. Most of the small businesses don't realize the reason you pay for the building you are in is because you know that is the building you're using to do what? Acquire customers. When you're online, when you pay for your SEO to be visible online, the reason you're paying is because you want to bring customers. So by spending a few £100 or euros, if you're getting business of thousands of pounds or euros, of course any business will spend money. Does it make sense to everyone? So what you want to do is you want to give them the education they need. Second thing we are working on, probably we will need 4 to 6 weeks to implement this. But I want you to write this down and this will really help you. What we are going to do is this. We are going to make an email address available to all our IBOs. It will be very limited communication. You send us the name of the business, the website of that business, and sort of nature of the business they are in. Our team will look into that business and will reply you back within next 2 to 3 working days with the current ranking of that business. You take that ranking, walk into that store, walk into that shop and show them, hey look, you're a barber shop. When I look for a barber shop in this area, you're on the 8th page. Who goes on the 8th page? No one. Now, would you want to be on the 1st page? Yes. Look, I can't give you the time frame because there are 3 types of SEOs. Number 1, white hat. Number 2, black hat. Number 3, gray hat. Black hat is completely illegal when it comes to Google policies. Google can blacklist your website if you're using bot, because most companies which provide cheap service, they use bot. You get instant results, but you get banned instantly as well by Google. Then you have gray hat. What is gray hat? It's a mixture of organic and bot. You can still be caught by Google and still have problem. And then you have white hat SEO. What is white hat SEO? White hat SEO means it's an organic way of growing the visibility of your business using those keywords. Now, we only work with white hat SEO. So this is why for a business to see results, they have to at least give 3 to 6 months, because it is an organic process. Is that clear to everyone? So let's go through the prices we have currently in the BVs you get for this product. So we have 3 different packages when it comes to search engine optimization. So the first package is called Advanced. Advanced is good for those businesses who only want to attract customers or bring traffic from the city they are in. So let's say if I'm in London, I have a business in London, and I only want to acquire customers in London, that will be a good package for me. I'm paying £250 plus tax, and the BV for that is 80. And trust me, for businesses, this is nothing, because in return they're getting business. It's investment, not an expense. The second package we have is Enterprise. It is good for the state. If you're looking at Europe, one country can be one state. Or US, one state is one state. $4.99 plus tax, and you get 100 BV. Then you have Exclusive package. That is good for the entire sort of region. So if you look at region, Europe can be a region. US can be the entire region. There is no such thing as global SEO, but what you can do is, if you keep working on Exclusive package and increase the keywords and give enough time, you can start attracting global customers. So currently these are the prices. We have adjusted some prices because we have included some extra things in our packages, and we have also updated our BVs, and I want to share that information with you. So I want you to write this down or take a picture if you can. Let's go to the next slide with that information. So if you look at the screen right now, these are the prices I've shared with you, and these are the BVs we currently give. We have revised our prices as well as the BVs. So if you look at UK, Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, by the way, currently we were only charging in pounds regardless where the customer comes from. But now we understand, even though it's a business product, £200 in UK and £200 in Lithuania or Romania or let's say India, Pakistan, they don't mean the same thing. So this is why we have adjusted the prices as well as the currencies. So let's look at that. So we have introduced something called Local package, which is more of Google listing. It's good for those restaurants who don't really have online presence, but it's more of Google map listing and getting yourself optimized on the maps. That's a Local package. It's £99 plus tax, 20% VAT, and BV for that is 45. The reason I have not written plus VAT, the amount, is because businesses can claim the VAT back. So it doesn't really matter for them. They're not paying. They are paying to the company, but they're claiming from the government, if that makes sense. And then you have Advanced package. So currently Local, £99, you get BV for 45. Advanced was £250 a month, and you were getting 80 BV. From today onwards, it will be the same price, 250 plus tax, but the BV given for that will be 125. So one customer on Advanced package will qualify you as an IBO, you will become CQ. Is that clear? If you look at that, that is almost 30-40% increase. Let's look at the second product, Enterprise. Same price, £499 plus tax. You are getting 100 BV before, now you are getting 250 BV for the same package, same price. That is more than 100% increase within the BV. Isn't that incredible? The third package, which is exclusive, is $799. So you pay $799, same price as before, plus tax, which will be around 900 something. You get BV, instead of 130, you get BV of 400. That is 300% increase in the BV for Tech by Nexarise SEO exclusive package. Now what about Europe? So we will be charging in euros when it comes to Europe, And we are also going to implement SEPA payments when it comes to Europe, because Europe does work with SEPA. It's an easier way for the businesses to pay. So we are working on that. As soon as it is implemented, we will share that information with you. So how will that work when it comes to Europe? So the prices are there. It will be the same price, but in a different currency. So 99 pounds will be 99 euros, 250 pounds will be 250 euros, and of course the VAT of that respective country will apply. Now the BV will be a little different, because we want to enable people from UK to build business in Europe as well. So they build business in euros and still be able to get paid in pounds. This is why we have to adjust the BVs. So you get 35 BV for local package, you get 100 BV for advanced package, which means you still qualify if you acquire a customer anywhere in Europe of enterprise package or advanced package. Enterprise will be 499, same price, the BV will be 200, exclusive will be 799 euros, and the BV will be 330. Rest of the world will be charged in US dollars. The price will be a little different because there is a currency difference. $129 for local, the BV for that is 30. $275 for advanced, the BV will be 85. $550 for enterprise, 175 will be BV. And $899 plus tax for exclusive package, and the BV will be 250. Now, I don't know if you have noticed something or not, but let me explain that to you. If you read the bottom of the slide, it tells you that one advanced SEO customer will make you CQ regardless of which country you acquire a customer in. Second thing, one customer on exclusive package in any of the region you are in. You are in Europe, Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, you are in Central South America, you are in North America, you are in Pacific, you are in UK, you are in Scandinavia, regardless, one customer of SEO exclusive package will straight away promote you to ETT 100, which means one customer means you're getting paid £100 month after month, year after year. Isn't that incredible? Now this was for UK and of course rest of the countries. The next announcement, we do have our Italian, a few members from our Italian family, so a few things I want to share. If you have people, look, London is a city, or UK is a country where you find people from every single ethnicity or country backgrounds. You can, being in the United Kingdom, you can build your business globally. That's a great part about being in Nexarise. So if you know anyone in Italy, you want to start prospecting right now, start building your team, and Mr. Giuseppe Manzo already told you and extended that offer that if any one of you need his help, you can contact him using social media. He'll be more than happy to help you guys. We are going to launch 2 services in this month in Italy.